YouTube, we're back again with another install today, but not one. We're gonna do two today, so let's do it before it starts raining. As you guys can see, it's cloudy and it's about to start pouring, so let's get this done. Here we have the integrated tail light, which looks like it's plug and play. Here we have my sucked up license plate mount, and we have the license plate white light. That way we don't get pulled over because of that. We might get pulled over because of the integrated tail light, but it doesn't matter. Looks good. Look at that. Huge difference. Alright, so here you guys can see the difference. All red. This one is clear smoked. It has two LED bars on the sides, the brake lights in the middle, and the running light. I mean, I think all of them are running light, but we're gonna get to that once we get back there. And then the plate mount should mount somewhere down here. I think it is, but we'll get into that in a few minutes. Let's start taking everything off. We're gonna start off by removing the rear cowl. Now we just need to remove these two so we can get this seat out, so that we can take the battery out. Now to remove the battery, we just gotta take these two out. Let's start with the negative. God damn. There we go. I'm gonna take this off, throw it over there. Move to the positive. I'll show you guys in a few why we have to take the battery out. Now the fun part is removing this little thing from here, which I hate. Fuck. There you go. Now we can just pull the battery out. So now that we got the battery out, if you guys seen my other video when we removed the huge fender from back here, that I, you guys will see everything that I removed, but I removed this one, this Allen bolt clip right there, Allen bolt, clip. No, you know what? We're gonna remove these two Allen bolts on both sides, clips on both sides, Allen bolt over there, and then we're gonna remove this whole piece together instead of having to take everything out like I did the last time. Then there's two clips in here next to the battery. That's why we got the battery out, because we didn't have space. So now that we got those two, the battery out, we can just push those clips out and remove everything all together in one piece. Clip right here. That one, just push it in. Take these two out. There we go. Clip. All right, so I've already removed this on both sides, remove all the clips. Now I believe we just gotta open it up, not too much. Hey Miguelina, how are you? Just pull this back and they all should come off in one piece. So now to remove the tail light from back here, You gotta take these two screws out. Make sure you guys disconnect it too. I already disconnected it from here. That way we can just pull it straight out and put the new one in. Now that we got those out, it's just holding on with two pushing clips right there. You just gotta like pull it up so it gets out of there. You guys can see right here, these two little nipples. And then down here, you gotta grab it from the bottom here. That way you can break this loose, because there's like a little clip holding it in. So you gotta pry that in there to get the wires free. There you go. I'll show you guys right now. See this little thing? You just gotta grab it from the bottom like this and push it up, and then it'll be free. So before we put this one away, we need to take the little rubber pieces off. So this, just squish in one side, push it through. There's the first one. Second one. You have these little washers on top, just remove them. You put them back on later. Because we need to put these little grommets on the... Oh, almost lost that one. Now we can put these four on the new tail lights. So now we're just gonna put this one in there the same way we took the other one out. We're gonna run these wires through over there. Make sure to run all of them. There you go. Put them in the little nipples. Oh wait, there you go. Put the little washers on top. Mang? Camila. Alright, so now we'll come back to here. This one with the white, red, and black goes to the white one. This first one right here. So you hear that click. I don't know if you guys heard it. Blue? No. I think yellow goes to the blue. And the blue goes to the orange. I think so. We're gonna find out later if that's how it goes. But I think it's like that. Before we start with the paint mount, we're gonna make sure. Oh. Okay, that was dumb. I just tried to start the bike with no battery in it. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. You guys didn't see nothing. Alright, so now we're just gonna remove these two right here. There's two on the other side, because this is where we're gonna put the brackets that goes on the side, and then the one that goes in the middle, so we can mount the plate down here tucked up. So I think these are 12s or 10s, I don't know. They look like 12s. Yes, those are 12. There you go. Thanks God I did not throw these out when I took off the rear fender, because if not, I would have messed up. That's why when I take out stuff, I put them back where they was at, because you never know if you're gonna need them. And do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna put this in there, and tighten them back up. If I can find a hole, there it is. You guys can see already, have an idea how this is gonna look, because this is gonna be tight right there. This is gonna go right there. And the plate goes somewhere there. I don't know. But you guys get it. I knew something was off. I put it on backwards. This bracket is the one that goes on the other side. Because here, I cannot put this there because that's not how it goes. So I gotta take this back off. What the hell? Why is he screaming? He said, "Look out of my country. You racist." This is the way it goes, man. Yeah, you see, now it makes sense because this goes right there. Yeah. Oh my god, I need instructions. You know what I also need? Power tools. Alright, so I already mounted the other bracket on the other side. Now we just grab this, grab this little bolt that came with the kit. There you go. Screw it in a little bit. Now let's go to the other side. To the other side. It's about to rain, so I need to do this quick. The popos. Make sure these are centered before you tighten it down. Then you should be good. Alright guys, so it's the moment of the truth. I already put everything back on. It's about to rain, so I gotta do this quick. So I did not record. Anyways, you guys don't want to see me putting everything back on. But let's see. You guys are seeing it before me. I haven't seen it. I'm about to go back there right now. Let's see, let's see. Ooh. That looks nice. That looks nice. On camera it looks orange, but that's bright and looks good. Let's see, let's go to the left. Blinking? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go to the right. See? Oh my goodness, Jesus Christ. Okay. Now let's hazard lights. That looks nice. Let's see the brakes. Of course I can't see the brakes, only on the camera. But it looks like it's working. That is very nice, man. Very nice. Let's try the brake lights without no hazards. How does it look? Oh shit. what I do like about these tail lights is that they're not hyper flash. You know, they're not flashing really quick. So I do not need to get the relay for the hyper flashing issue, because we don't have that issue. So and I almost ordered it. I didn't find it, so hey, I ain't mad at all, so I don't care. So the install is all done. I'm about to go to the laundry right now before it starts raining. Okay. Está bien, ya voy. Let me move the bike back. Let me move the bike back. Put it on the stands. Cover it up, and then try to see if I can enjoy it one of these days when it's not raining. And about the plate light, I didn't install that because I still don't have my plate. My temp tag that I got from the dealer, that thing expired May 5th. Today's the 16th. So I don't know when they're gonna get my tags. They don't want to give me another temp tag, so. And for me to install my light, the plate light, I had to stick it onto the actual plate, and then drill a hole to run the cable in, connected it, whatever, blah blah blah. So I don't have a plate right now to stick the light to, so we're gonna have to leave it like that for now until I get my plate. But I hope you guys like it. It wasn't nothing crazy, you know, just a quick install. Took me literally like an hour to get done. So like, comment, and subscribe. Hope I helped you guys out. Any questions, leave it in the comment. Hit me up on Instagram. And you guys already know. Catch you guys outside.